Understanding how often customers return to purchase is key. This informs the frequency of our marketing communication and helps define churn. It also indirectly indicates how long the products last for customers. In retention analysis, it's essential to separate subscribers from one-off buyers. Subscribers have set purchase patterns that can skew data. Retention analysis revolves around groups of users who made their first purchase at the same time, usually within a month. This group is called a cohort. On the chart, we see users grouped into monthly cohorts. For each month, the percentage of customers who made a purchase in the subsequent months after the cohort's acquisition is calculated. For the January 2023 cohort, 1.6% of users returned in the first month, 2.2% in the second month, and so on. Distinct patterns emerge between cohorts. The December 2022 holiday cohort and November 2022 Black Friday cohort behave differently than others. To understand our customers' buying habits, we should exclude these specific cohorts from analysis. By focusing on consistent cohorts like October 2022, January 2023, and February 2023, we see two retention spikes at the 3rd and 7th months. Using this, we can prompt customers with reminders before these peaks to increase sales or introduce special offers after these points to entice those who haven't returned to prevent churn. Assessing cumulative retention reveals when we might lose a customer. Let's look at cumulative retention for a second order. For the January 2023 cohort, 3.2% made a second order within the same month, 4.8% within the same and first month combined, and 6.9% across the first 2 months. Cumulative retention chart shows that customer retention initially grows quickly, slows down around the 4th month, and then plateaus after 8 months. If customers don't make a second purchase by month 8, they are likely no longer active and can be classified as churned. Through customer retention analysis, we've determined the optimal frequency for marketing communications. We can now send reminders to customers just before the 3rd and 7th months and provide special offers if they haven't made a purchase. The data reveals that customers who haven't made a second purchase within 8 months are likely to churn. Furthermore, spikes in retention have helped us deduce that the typical lifespan of our product is between 3 and 4 months. To learn more about D2C and e-commerce growth, follow Sublime on LinkedIn, YouTube, or visit our website. Check out our free demo for a closer look at our analytics. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching.